Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 26th of August, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, a group of Argentine deputies presented the bill to extend the regime to promote renewable energy for the production of electricity. Legislators propose to extend fiscal stability for renewables in the country for 20 years. The purpose would be to maintain the continuity of the current regulations that facilitates the local energy transition by various sectors of the economy. However, they do not consider expanding the ERNC participation targets at this time. The private sector in the country considers the initiative to be positive. U.S. renewable energy investments have declined by 36% from last year. Businesses have reassessed their plans following the U.S. administration's policy reversal on tax credits. Investments declined by $20.5 billion in the first half of the year compared to the second half of 2024. Wind energy has borne the brunt of the decline, with investments falling 67% in the first half of the year compared to the same period in 2024. Spending on onshore wind dropped 80% in the first half of this year compared to the second half of last year. The government does not visualize any significant impact of the higher U.S. tariffs on exports of renewable energy equipment from India. Santosh Kumar Sarangi, the secretary of the MNREA, said, quote, "Our exports of wind turbines to the U.S. are not very high. In case of solar cells and panels too, our exports to the U.S. market are not very high. Also, given the huge demand in the domestic market, there will be no significant impact of the higher U.S. tariffs on the domestic industry." Japan's Industry and Land Ministries on Tuesday proposed revising guidelines to extend offshore wind project leases by 10 years, from the current 30 years. This is intended to help developers manage soaring construction costs and complete projects. The proposed revision would allow operators to renew their permits if they meet certain conditions. Because current guidelines require construction, operation, and decommissioning to be completed within 30 years, actual operations typically last only about 20 years. After completing the second round of wind and solar power auctions, Romania's Ministry of Energy is considering launching new bidding for renewable energy projects. The Ministry of Energy has issued a call for expressions of interest for a third auction under the state aid scheme. The ministry is exploring the possibility of launching an additional tender dedicated exclusively to onshore wind technology. The tender is to be completed by the 31st of December 2025. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.